Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your label design with Canva for US shipping use. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Canva and log into your account. On the home page, click on Create a Design in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Custom Dimensions. Input the dimensions for your label according to your shipping needs. Click on Create New Design. Once the design canvas opens, explore the left sidebar for templates. Type shipping label into the search bar to find existing designs. Browse through the available templates and choose one that fits your brand. Click on the selected template to add it to your canvas. Use the toolbar above the canvas to adjust the size and position of the template if needed. To personalize your label, click on any text box within the template. Edit the text to reflect your brand name, address, and other crucial information. Modify the font style, size, and color using the options in the top menu. To change the background color, click on the background area and select a new color from the color tool. If you want to add your logo, click on Uploads in the left sidebar. Upload your logo file and drag it onto the label design. Resize and reposition the logo as necessary to fit well within the label. For additional visuals, consider adding icons or illustrations by searching in the Elements tab. Once you find suitable graphics, simply click to add them to your design. Adjust the size and position of these elements as needed to ensure a balanced look. When you're satisfied with your design, click on the Share button in the top right corner. Select Download from the drop-down menu. Choose the file type that suits your printing needs, preferably PDF for high-quality prints. Click on the Download button to save the file to your device. Print your labels using a high-quality printer or send them to a professional printing service. Now your updated label design is ready for US shipping use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.